Samsung has done it again, this time with the new Z Fold 7, the thinnest fold ever, larger screens inside and out, it weighs less than the S25 Ultra, 200 megapixel ultra camera, IP48 waterproofing, and fully optimized for AI and Gemini. It is another win for Samsung. So, you're on the pre-order page, but wait, which color should you choose? My video is here to help you, so you don't make a mistake. Cue my intro. Welcome everyone, I'm Zilla, and I was lucky enough to check out the 3 different color options for the Z Fold 7. So in today's video, I will be comparing and showing you the difference between them, helping you decide which one to pre-order. But before I get into it, hit that subscribe button and bell notification icon, as I will be producing many videos about Samsung's new Flip 7, Galaxy Watch 8 series watches, and many more Fold 7 videos, and you don't want to miss out. There are 3 different colors available: blue shadow, jet black, and silver shadow. First off, let me say that all of them have matte backs and frames, so no need to worry about smudges all over your beloved Fold 7. Let's check out the silver shadow option first. The glass finish reminds me of the titanium silver S25 Ultra. The back glass on the Fold 7 has the same subtle finish. The back, as expected, doesn't really show fingerprints unless you have very greasy or sweaty hands. Then when you shift the device, the smudges show up under certain lighting. The metal frame sandwiched between the screens and the back panels has a matte silver finish and matching hinge. This is probably the freshest looking option, very clean looking without being boring. The next color option is the blue shadow. This is probably the most unusual of the colors and is identical to the Flip 7 version. The glass panel is matte and has an almost inky blue-like finish. Obviously, being a darker color, you would assume it would show fingerprints, but thanks to that matte finish, you would be wrong. The color has a depth to it that almost hides reflections completely. In low light, when tilted at certain angles, it can look almost black from the shade. The frame has a matte finish. The metal rails match the color of the glass perfectly, giving it a seamless appearance. The metal frame didn't show fingerprints in the short time I spent handling it with my sweaty hands. I would say this option is for anyone who doesn't want a loud, bright color, but instead wants that professional look. This is my favorite color. The third color option for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the jet black. This is the same again as the Flip 7, which also comes in jet black. The glass finish is very similar to previous Phantom Black Samsung devices. The back has a subtle finish which shifts from almost black to various shades of grey, which never look like a deep jet black. The back, as expected, doesn't really show fingerprints unless you have very greasy or sweaty hands again. Then it's time to pull out that microfiber cloth. The metal frame sandwiched in between the screens and the back panel has a matte, very dark grey finish, and the antenna bands are in a darker grey. This is the colorway for anyone who prefers professional looking subtle products, so great choice for anyone wanting stealth over flash. So there you have it, the current color options available for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 series. I should mention that there is an online exclusive mint option which wasn't available at the time of this video, but it is a very light and pastel color. If you are looking to pick up any of these color variants, then use my links in the description below to help me out. I've also made a video of the Z Flip 7 color choices and the Fold 7 unboxing. So which is your favorite color and why? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, my favorite is the blue shadow because of that dark finish on the glass back and the matching blue frame. What color combo would you like to have seen? I will be making loads more videos about the Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, Galaxy Watch 8 series, and Watch Ultra, including accessories, screen protectors, cases, and comparisons. So smash that subscribe button and bell notification icon, give me a thumbs up, and share this video on your social media, including Samsung groups and forums. Until next time, I'm Zilla saying take care and peace.